If you want to turn HR into a strategic business advantage, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand how HR can directly drive business growth, increase efficiency, and transform your company culture. First, let's break it down. HR isn't just about hiring and firing anymore. It's about building a workforce that aligns with your company's long-term goals. It's about understanding your talent pool and using that information strategically. The right HR processes can boost employee engagement, reduce turnover, and maximize productivity. If you get this right, you're already ahead of your competition. Here's how you can start turning HR into a strategic advantage. The first step is to align HR with your business objectives. HR needs to understand the company's goals, vision, and mission. This isn't a one-off exercise, it's an ongoing collaboration. HR should play a role in the decision-making process when it comes to company growth. When HR is aligned with the business strategy, they can better shape the workforce to meet the company's evolving needs. Next, you need to adopt a data-driven approach. Analytics in HR has been a game changer. By using data, you can spot trends, track employee performance, and predict future HR needs. Software, like the one I'll be mentioning in a minute, can make this process so much easier and more efficient. With the right tools, you can make decisions that improve your recruitment, employee development, and retention strategies. Speaking of tools, make sure your HR software integrates seamlessly with your company's existing systems. You don't want to disrupt your workflow, so choose software that's flexible and easy to use. The software we'll be using today is one that I've tested extensively, and it's been great at streamlining HR operations. As a viewer of my channel, you get exclusive access to a free trial link in the description below. Trust me, it's worth checking out if you want to follow along with these strategies. Now, let's talk about employee development. HR's role doesn't stop once someone is hired. You need to continuously invest in your team's growth. Use your HR strategy to implement ongoing learning opportunities, mentorship programs, and career development paths. This not only keeps employees engaged, but it helps you retain top talent. When your employees feel like they're growing, they're more likely to stay with you for the long haul. Another key element is creating a strong company culture. HR should foster a work environment that promotes collaboration, inclusivity, and open communication. This is more than just hosting team building activities. It's about creating a workplace where people are empowered to do their best work. A positive culture increases job satisfaction and drives better business results. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of agility in HR. In today's fast-paced world, HR needs to be adaptable. Flexibility in HR policies and processes allows your company to quickly respond to changes in the market or workforce. Whether it's adjusting to remote work or implementing new technologies, an agile HR team can make sure your business stays competitive. To recap, turning HR into a strategic business advantage comes down to aligning HR with your company's goals, leveraging data, investing in employee development, fostering a positive culture, and staying agile. These are the building blocks that will transform HR from a back office function into a core driver of business success. Before you go, remember to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. This software can help streamline the HR processes we talked about today and is the perfect tool to start turning HR into your business's strategic advantage. The key takeaway here is simple. HR isn't just a support function. It's a strategic partner in driving business growth. Get your HR processes right, and you'll unlock the full potential of your workforce. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.